All right, so I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We are going to go ahead and jump back into our second step lessons. And so we have lesson 10 to go over. All right, so if you have not done your attendance already, make sure that you go in and do your attendance on Canvas so that you are marked here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go to our second step lesson. So we have been talking about bullying. All right, and today we are going to talk about some environmental factors that contribute to bullying. Last week we talked about a different type of factor that contributed to bullying, but this week we are talking about environmental factors. So in this lesson, we'll learn how the physical space and rules within a certain area can make bullying and harassment more likely to happen. All right, so for a little warm up, where was the last place you experienced, witnessed, or heard about bullying happening at school? This should be a physical place and not online. I know that we haven't really been in school, so I guess you need to think back to last year. Where was the last place you experienced, witnessed, or heard about bullying happening at school? So think back to last year. Y'all can put it in the chat. You can unmute yourself. Where was the last place? Somewhere in the school. So Haley, where was this girl getting bullied? Like where in the school? Was it in the classroom? Was it in the lunchroom? Where was it? Okay, so it was in the classroom. So if y'all want to think of ones like from elementary school or from 6th grade or last year, you can let me know. So Haley's example was actually in a classroom. Haley, where was the teacher when this was happening? Okay. All right, what other places in the school building? Or I guess on school grounds, I guess you could say, because you could say outside as well. Haley, the only one that wants to respond? All right, Allie said she thinks that the girls' bathroom, girls might get bullied a lot there. It's a possibility. Tim, you had fights every day? Marley said in the hallway or the cafeteria. Tim, where were fights at if you had fights? Everywhere? Oh, that's lovely. I'm totally joking. But I mean, I guess they could happen everywhere. If somebody is not feeling it that day and just wants to start a fight, they could happen anywhere. All right, so in the hallways. So I guess one spot that a lot of fights or a lot of bullying happens is when we have class transition in the hallway. You're getting bullied by homework. I'm sorry. Hallway, cafeteria, bathroom, outside, around the school buses. All right, so we know from Ural's in the gym too, from Ural's responses, bullying can happen anywhere, right? And so I've got a definition. We've got some environmental factors, all right? So what are environmental factors? Environmental factors are the physical space and any rules and regulations that apply within an area. All right, so physical space is the way an area is set up with furniture, walls, or other items, and who or what occupies the space, such as bathrooms, hallways, or hallways for certain grades. And then we've got some rules and regulations. Those are what's allowed or not allowed in certain areas or situations and how well the rules are followed or enforced. Now, if bullying or if fights are going on, obviously those rules are not being followed, right? They are enforced at Hayes, you guys know that, but those rules are not being followed. All right, so I have a question for you. Where is bullying and harassment more likely to happen at our school? Where do you all think? What is the one place that you think it is more likely to happen? All right, I'm seeing hallways or at lunch, bathroom at lunch, hallways. We do have such a big school that it is crazy hectic in the hallways. And then we have so many people coming into the cafeteria at once, right? So that is a possibility. Oh, that's not good, Brandon. All right, so here is a national survey. So we're going to drag each percentage to the area in the school that we think that it belongs. Okay, so this is the percentage of where bullying and harassment are more likely to happen. Okay, and these are some percentages. All right, we're going to drag them. So here are the basketball courts. Here's the school bus. This is a classroom. No, this is the bathroom. This is the lunchroom. And then you got classrooms and the hallway. All right, so where do we think these percentages are going to go? So let's start with the highest percentage. Okay, let's start with the highest percentage. Where can we put this highest percentage? Since most of you said the hallway. All right, focus in here. Brandon, where do you think this should go? Where do you think this 43 should go? All right, some people say the hallway, the bathroom. Where do we think the highest percentage should go? All right, let's put on the hallway then. All right, now there's one. I think this is the hallway one. All right, now we have a 42%. All right, we've got the classroom, we've got the cafeteria, the bathroom, basketball courts, or where the buses are. Okay, I see cafeteria or bathroom. Where's the next highest one, we think? Brandon thinks that the bathroom is like 27 and the cafeteria is the 42. All right, you say buses because there's nobody there. Yeah, like teachers. All right, we think the classroom is the least. Let's do that. We can go with the least amount is the classroom. All right, so I either saw the cafeteria or the bathroom is next. Cafeteria or the bathroom, which one is 42? Where can we put that in? You think the bathroom? Okay, that's what I'm going with because that's what most of you guys put. All right, next one is 27. So we think, where's the 27 go? Buses, cafeteria, or? Okay. What's everybody else think? All right, and then the 22, the buses or the basketball court? Ooh. All right, we're going to do this, and then we'll check them. It's all right if we're wrong. Whoops. All right, let's check. Ooh, we only got 2 right. Okay, so we know that the bathroom's going to be lower, obviously. We didn't do so hot. All right, so you think 42 where the buses are? It is an opinion, but I kind of want to see what. Okay. No, I get that because when I was in school, there weren't very many teachers around the bus. This is just a national survey, Brandon. So it said the highest is here, and then we had 27% here. I really do want to see what the national thing is. We're going to go with that. Maybe check it. Oh, we have to do all of them. Still wrong. Okay. Guys, I think the classroom one is the one that's supposed to be kind of high. Because you don't really think about it, but people are getting bullied in the classroom more often. Maybe it's higher in the bathroom. All right, last time we're going to check and then we'll move on. Still getting it wrong. That's okay. Yeah. Close enough, right? All right, so that is just the national average. And so I wouldn't have thought that 42% would be in the classroom. But I guess it's when the teacher is not looking, right? All right, so class discussion. How do you think our school compares to this national survey? How do you think our school compares to the national survey? Yeah. More things are happening in the hallways. Tim doesn't know. Brandon thinks there's a lot of bullying. All right, some people, I guess, just aren't around it. Others are more likely to be around it, whether they're actually involved in it or whether they just see it. Right? All right. Now, for our wrap up, how do our school rules and regulations protect or not protect students from bullying and harassment? And then which social or environmental factors do you want to change the most and why? So how do our school rules and regulations protect or not protect students from bullying and harassment? Do you guys think we have enough rules in place? Do you think we need more rules in place to protect people against bullying? What do we think? So Brandon says yes and no. So I guess not really more rules to make sure you're doing something, but more rules to make sure that you're being nice to others and you're not being a bully. Okay, you have this safe room, but the safe room is for people that have gotten in trouble. And those are for the people that have actually been caught. Okay, Brandon's saying that it doesn't work. People are just going to do what they think they want to do. All right, so this is what we'll talk about a little bit more on our activity on Wednesday. So Wednesday's activity is going to talk about the Panther Promise and some things that are going on in our school, some rules and regulations in our school, and talk about some environmental factors. Okay, so that is the only thing that I wanted to go over today. On Wednesday, we'll watch a short video and we will do that activity. But I think we had some good conversations today. You do not have an actual assignment to turn in. On Mondays, we don't. All right. So y'all have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you all tomorrow for academic enhancement. Bye, guys. Bye, Haley. Bye, Marley. Bye, Brandon. Bye, Tim. Bye, guys.